When silence starts to feel powerful, you know something different has arrived. This is BMW Ignite, where machines meet cinematic presence. Finished in frozen pure gray exterior tone, the BMW xDrive60, a fully electric luxury SUV, introduced globally as part of BMW's next-generation EV lineup, a model already redefining modern electric mobility. With a presence that doesn't demand attention, it simply owns it. A sleek silver surface steps into frame. The body stretches with quiet intention. Front bumper sculpted with seamless precision, every edge flowing without interruption. Those sharp LED eyes narrow with focus. The full stance settles into view, cutting through light with clean definition. Wide, grounded, completely composed. A presence that feels planted to the road. Balance carried from front to rear. The side motion blurs into elegance. Movement stays smooth, never restless. From above, the form feels deliberately stretched, every line holding balance across its length. The side mirror cuts through with clean precision, a surface shaped without excess or distraction. Down low, the wheel carries quiet authority, grounded weight settling into every rotation. The alloy detail sharpens into crafted intent, each spoke reflecting controlled design clarity. A signature mark sits with subtle confidence, identity expressed without needing attention. The wheel fills frame, wide stance gripping asphalt with quiet authority. A subtle X badge glides in, symmetry hinting balanced electric duality. Rear profile sharpens slowly, long body stretching into a grounded presence. City lights open wide, silhouette balancing height with flowing length. Camera glides across body, surfaces remain clean. Transitions uninterrupted perfectly. At rest, rear stance settles heavy, grounded, defining its electric identity. The rear diffuser cuts sharp, anchoring the body with planted confidence. Silver X badge gleams softly, reflecting a perfectly balanced electric identity. xDrive60 lettering sits precise, symmetry quietly expressing dual motor control. Rear view opens wide, long proportions stretching into a stable presence. The trunk reveals space, extended wheelbase translating into effortless practicality. Seats fold down smoothly, motion controlled, surfaces flowing without interruption. Welcome to a new era of electric presence. Step inside the BMW xDrive60 cabin, a space shaped around modern luxury thinking. The curved display wraps you in quiet focus. An open floor stretches, creating effortless room. 5 seats sit within a wide, balanced layout. Long proportions bring air into every corner. Light moves gently across crafted surfaces. Storage adapts as the space transforms behind. Everything inside feels calm, stable, and intentional. These leather sport seats set a refined comfort tone. Dashboard vents reveal precision in every small detail. Premium audio surrounds the cabin with rich clarity. Crystal controls on the console catch light beautifully. A flat floor keeps movement open and unrestricted. The embossed M mark adds a subtle performance touch. Storage expands easily, ready for every journey. Rear passengers get generous space to stretch out. This cabin shapes a new electric luxury experience. The silver body glides across the open bridge. Motion stays steady, stretching effortlessly ahead. Wheels rotate clean, holding the surface with quiet grip. As the city nears, direction shifts without hesitation. Steering inputs feel smooth, guided with subtle control. Power builds instantly, no pause in its movement. From the front, momentum rises in one continuous flow. Speed increases, yet balance never feels disturbed. From the side, the surroundings begin to blur away. Out in the open, it settles into a composed glide. The silver form moves steadily across the open bridge. Steering feels measured, guided with balanced control. Out ahead, the road opens into a straight stretch. Grip holds strong, adapting across changing surfaces. distance unfolds easily. The drive never feels demanding. From above, it traces curves with quiet precision. Entering the forest, direction shifts through tight bends. Acceleration builds smoothly in one continuous line. No shifts interrupt the rhythm as speed carries forward. Under bright daylight, it glides with calm consistency. The gray body moves steadily along the coastal stretch. Power rises instantly, pushing forward without hesitation. From low angles, the wheels grip with strong intent. Torque delivers a sudden pull, sharp yet controlled. Through the forest, motion stays balanced and fluid. Both ends work together, keeping direction precise. The climb feels steady, weight anchoring every movement. Around the curve, the rear holds firm under pressure. Out ahead, the road opens into a faster rhythm. Speed builds quickly, yet everything stays composed. Even at pace, stability never begins to fade. The silver form moves calmly through the mountain stretch. It leans gently, holding its line through every curve. Past the rocks, reflections shift with quiet precision. From behind, it carries forward with composed presence. Through the forest light, speed rises without tension. Around the corner, control stays smooth and assured. As it settles, the drive begins to feel effortless. Maybe this is how modern driving should feel. Less noise, more connection with the road ahead. Not about pushing harder, just flowing better. If this feels like your kind of drive, stay with BMW Ignite for journeys that feel different. Light moves across the emblem, holding a quiet presence. The wheel turns low, gripping the road with intent. At the rear, the IX mark reflects subtle identity. Through the curves, it follows a controlled, steady line. Along the forest, motion flows without resistance. Across the hillside, it carries a calm, balanced pace. As it moves away, the journey begins to settle. Maybe this is what driving is becoming. Less about noise, more about experience. If this feels like your direction, stay with BMW Ignite for stories that move differently.